With our general understanding of the blockchain down, let's set ourselves up to build a blockchain-based system by configuring our project. For this project, we'll use Node.js to provide our JavaScript engine for running our collection of JavaScript files, which will represent our blockchain. To start, head to your command line and then make a new directory called sfchain wherever you like to store your code. So go ahead and make a directory with sf-chain. Now, why the name sfchain? Well, you can of course call the project anything you want, but I wanted a short name that references the fact that it's a blockchain project, and SF is homage to my hometown, San Francisco. So once you have your sfchain directory, navigate into it with the cd change directory command. And now we use npm to create a package.json file, which will be used to provide details about our project. So we use npm init, and then the -y option to immediately answer yes to all the interactive questions for this npm initialization script. So with npm init -y, we have a new package.json file for our sfchain project. Great. Now we'll install a development dependency called Nodemon. Nodemon works like Node in terms of starting up JavaScript files and projects. However, Nodemon has a feature that Node doesn't have natively. It has a live development server, meaning if we edit a file and save it, it completely reloads and restarts our project. So we're going to use npm I, which is short for npm install. We'll specify Nodemon, and then we'll save it as a dev dependency with the --save-dev flag. And as we do so, we're starting to install Nodemon for the project, and installing Nodemon as a special development dependency means that we're going to mark Nodemon as something we're using while creating the project and not necessarily a requirement when actually creating the production version of this blockchain project. All right, that about wraps up configuring our blockchain project. So let's move on and start coding this blockchain.